Today we're going to show you our Bento Box Breakfast Edition. We're going to test if the syrup will spill out. We made some Eggos, and now let's add some topping. I'm going to pour the syrup in one of the compartments. Let's go ahead and close the lid off and test these out. Now we're going to test that it's spill-proof. Open these up. Now we're going to add our toppings and eat them up. These bento boxes yourself, you have an opportunity to win it. You can pick the color of your choice. See the description box below to enter the contest. Now let's eat. Review. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.